Okay, awesome. Well, I'll be there Sunday, so I'll message you regardless when I'm heading your way.
Okay, that sounds great. Thanks.
Awesome. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Got it. Okay, no problem, no worries. Yeah, all right, sounds good. Yeah, definitely, Zach. Yeah, let me get that concrete work done, and then I'll contact you. We
Okay.
can go from there.
Awesome. That sounds amazing. Thank you
Thanks.
so
Yeah,
much for your
bye.
call. Bye bye. I've been taking a lot of calls this morning, getting people scheduled. It's all part of the job. All right, we're showing an incredibly low amount of fuel. By the way, good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, October 7th, I think, 2021. So yeah, we're off to continue progress on the playset assembly, and that's going to consume most of the morning. I mean, it's 12:46, so what is the morning? I don't know if you get the gist by now, but I tend to sleep in a little bit. But yeah, Dylan, let me get you in here. Dylan will arrive probably around 3 o'clock to help continue making progress, and we'll see how much I can get done. Let's go! Hey, 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 hey! All right, we're back at it again, currently on step 10. Looking to attach the rock wall to the playset. Let's do it. Making some great progress this afternoon. Crazy amount of mud all over the place, but things are looking good. All right, things are going really well here. Making lots of progress. This is the swing beam. Getting a quick snack. Another nanner. Dylan should be here soon. Making good work. Well, I got some popcorn delivered from Mr. Dylan. He's back on the grind working hard.
Back from work and we're here
Back
at
from,
work.
back from working and working
And
again.
we're at work.
Oh, we're showing thunderstorms.
What?
Or a 50% chance at 4 o'clock.
I don't see nothing.
Well, the sky looks pretty heavy, honestly. All right, so we're making good progress here. A big step coming up for sure. Swing post assembly. Oh, wow, look at those washers. All right, we're at the point where it should be on the thing. Like, do you look on the inside? I think it might not be back there. All right, we're at the point in the assembly where 2 people is going to be huge. It's the point where the swing. I don't even know if this means anything to you. Where the swing is being put up, so it has to be structurally sound, and we're moving a lot of weight to line up holes and that kind of thing. So, find it? I just want to hold that like there. All right, so the massive part of the job is done for the most part. I mean, we still got to put it up, but things are looking good. Nice work. Nah. Also, we've connected our AirPods, so we're bopping out to the same music right now.
Same song right now. Oh, it's on mine right now.
Great song.
I didn't know what song this is.
Oh. It's so awkward. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh my god. Alright, now try to lift that up as high as you can. Ow. Yeah, keep going.
So I'm like, I just walked up the driveway. I was like, so, and I was like, I don't work here. I don't live here. I work here.
Oh.
Yeah.
What do you want?
He was like, oh, no live? No
No
live.
leave?
No leave. No leave.
No leave. Alright, things are looking really good right now. Swing set is done, of course. And we're working on this little extension here. The creators of this playset are getting all crafty on us. It's looking pretty good though. Dylan's over here searching for some pieces. Oh, here he comes.
S20s were hiding from me.
S20s are always sneaky to find. You found them in the container though, yeah?
In the container.
In the container.
Look at you.
Looking good next to the structure, Dylan.
Thank you.
Alright. That's it for us here today. On site with this playset assembly. We have all of our stuff? Yeah, we're good to go. So now it's off to dinner and the rest of the evening.
Some Basbos.
Oh, and this is all we have left. So we'll do a quick organizing of all this stuff here. And we're making some driveway space again. All right, in the car on the way to dinner. It's about 7 o'clock. So Dylan and I closed up the job site and we're headed to dinner right now with our beautiful mother. The car is on low, like gas is low. There's no indication. There's not even an indication of how many miles I have left. It literally just says low. So yeah, that's that. But we're getting some good pizza for dinner. And gotta get gas. All right, getting some gas as I'm basically empty. And then I'm off to a late night meeting about 8:30. All right, well, I just left a meeting, my last meeting of the day. A very, very productive meeting. It was just setting myself up for success in the future. Man, am I lucky. And now we go home, get some rest, maybe watch a little bit of the Red Sox with Dylan and Dad, and edit this video, wake up, do it all again. See you tomorrow. Peace.